In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple viewports and circle viewports in AutoCAD. This is an important skill that can help you manage and view your project details more effectively. Whether you're working on a complex architectural design or a simple engineering drawing, being able to create multiple viewports is essential for efficiently organizing your workspace and enhancing your workflow. Let's dive right into it. To create multiple viewports, you'll want to start by typing the command mview into the command line and then simply press Enter. Doing so activates the viewport creation tool in AutoCAD. This will allow you to draw a rectangle on your paper space layout, which will serve as a viewport into your model space. By adjusting this rectangle, you can customize the area of the model that you want to be displayed in each viewport. If you find that you need additional viewports, you can easily create more by just repeating this process. Type mview again, hit Enter, and draw another rectangle wherever you need it. This flexibility gives you the ability to organize your different views logically according to your project's specific needs. Now, let's talk about creating a circle viewport, which is a great option if you prefer more dynamic or aesthetically pleasing layouts. The first step here is to draw a circle in your layout. You can do this by choosing the circle tool and clicking in two places, once to define the center and once more to establish the radius. Once you have your circle drawn, you'll want to utilize the mview command again. This time type mview and hit Enter. Instead of drawing another shape, you're going to choose the Object option. Type Object in the command line. Now, select the circle that you just created. With the circle selected, simply press Enter. AutoCAD will automatically transform your circle into a viewport, giving you a round window to observe your design. And there you have it. It's as simple as that. With these steps, you can create both rectangular and circular viewports in AutoCAD, allowing you to better display various aspects of your design, each in its own dedicated section of your workspace. These viewports can make your layouts more organized and visually appealing, while also improving your project's readability. Keep these techniques in mind as you continue to work on your projects, and you'll find they can significantly enhance both your productivity and presentation quality. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips and tutorials.